My shirt's a little big. All right, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're sisters in stitches and
Sisters in real life.
we admit it sometimes.
We admit it all the time.
All right, we are coming at you with my Ipsy bag. And actually, I was a little bit bummed, but we did say we give it 2 times. And everyone was encouraging me, no, wait till the Ipsy Plus Glam Bag comes out because then you get full-size products. So that's next month. So this is my last month of the Ipsy $10 bag, and every month, and I'll put everything below, but every month you get this tiny little bag, which I love all these little bags. I have this collection and it's great, like when you're when we're going on our vacation, just you can put little stuff in here and you've got everything organized. I love it, but this is a really cute little bag actually.
Lemons, I like it.
I like it a lot. So I don't think, oh yeah, the card came in. I'll read. Okay. So last month I was so excited to get Ipsy and everybody was getting great stuff, and when I got my stuff it was like, I didn't get all that nice stuff. Oh, look at my first item is...
This is Law Beauty Essentials Nail Polish in Purplicious.
Purplicious? I saw Melissa Unboxing Mom wearing this really pretty lavender nail polish. I think I'm...
Ooh, that is pretty.
All right, I don't have my fake nails on. I was leaving them off so my nails would get a little healthier. All right, let's see. Forgive the state of my nails. I am getting them done. One coat.
That is pretty.
It is really pretty.
It's a great spring color. It'd be pretty on your toes.
All right, maybe I'll bring it with to the nail salon. All right, so I like that. So thank you. Purplicious. No, it's Purplicious.
It says to make that fun, paint your nails, 2 coats of that, and then put little white dots to make polka dot nails.
No, my hand would be shaking all the time. Okay, the second thing I got was this lip oil, color infused hydrating oil.
This is Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Lip Oil in Watermelon. Meet your newest obsession. This lip oil is infused with safflower, coconut, and tomato oils to hydrate, nourish, and give your lips a shot of shine. Don't be intimidated by the way it looks in the tube. Once applied, it looks like a subtle pink sheen.
Oh, no way. Now, subscribers have told me, Cindy, you look good in corals. Stay away from the reds. So, let's see.
Look close, ladies. They're pretty thin.
I don't have...
You always do that.
I don't know why.
I don't know. You always drop it off your lips.
You still can't see my lips, can you?
Let me see. Does it taste like watermelon?
What's an animal that has really big lips? Baboons? Lips? Debbie's got huge lips.
I don't have huge lips.
Oh, well, you need 3 coats of lipstick. I just can dip it one time and I'm done. You know what? It feels really good on your lips, actually.
It does.
Very moisturizing.
It doesn't really taste like watermelon, though.
A little.
Not much.
Isn't that funny? Look at the difference in color.
Wow. That's a difference in our lip colors, I guess.
Wow.
All right.
Actually, I like the oil in this, so this is nice. I bet it'll look nice over a regular color lipstick.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Use it over a color.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a Tarte something.
Tarte? Oh, Tarte.
Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape. Ooh.
What is this?
That's the new tape.
Base tape. No, it's base for your...
Yeah, for when you use their tape. It's a primer to go underneath their tape. I did buy their tape. I love their hydrating formula, and then they switched to the formula to this new called like a foundation tape. I gotta say, the tape dried out my skin. I can't use the tape.
Well, you know,
it itches
this,
my skin.
This primer,
but the other stuff I did great with, so I'm kind of bummed.
But this is the hydrating primer, so maybe.
Yeah, but that tape that I bought is hydrating tape.
Oh, really?
I guess they had a couple of formulas. The lady at Alta was telling me, and then they combined them together to make this
the same lady that did my Lancome makeup.
No.
Oh, okay.
And so she talked me into it. I bought 2 different colors. I came home, I started using it, and by the end of the day, I would have all these bumps on my face that were itchy. Once I stopped using the Tarte, it went away. So I can't use the new formula, which I'm really bummed about because I like Tarte products.
I like this. This feels very nice, very hydrating, actually. Okay, this is called 111 Skin. I'm not sure what it is because I have no glasses on and can't see it.
It's a serum, a repair serum. It says
Serum
Repair Serum.
Oh, very good.
This brand was founded by a renowned cosmetic surgeon who wanted products to help his patient's skin heal after surgery. Wow, this is probably a pretty good product. Don't waste it.
I like serums, actually.
So that's probably something that would go over like scar tissue and stuff.
Yeah, could be.
It hydrates, helps boost collagen production, and supports cell regeneration to improve the elasticity of your skin and minimize the appearance of fine lines.
You put it on under your moisturizer.
Wow, that would probably be good on your neck.
And
as you get older, I don't care how young your face looks, you can always tell an older woman by the way her neck looks.
And if you go all the way down, you can tell how old a woman is by the little
you can't meet
right
people
there.
like this and say, "Oh, hello, how are you?"
No, you just do this. You do this. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, stick your
Hello.
no.
Stretch out that skin.
Now
Hello,
watch. Now watch.
nice to meet you.
Now watch.
Yeah, now you relax and boom, you got that.
My turkey goblet. Turn your head and it has to catch up.
That's why you always see older women talking like this, or they wear scarves or turtlenecks in summer.
Anyway, so this was better than my last one.
Wait, you have one more thing. You have a Vasanti Cosmetics Contour Eyeshadow Blended Out Brush. That's a pretty brush. It's a light brush.
Blended out brush. It sounds like an NSYNC song, actually.
I don't have anything on my eyes today.
Yes, you do. You have that lip crayon from our other box.
Yeah, but can...
All right, so as I said, this is $10 a month. I'll put the info below, but I will no longer be getting this small bag because I'm getting the Glam Plus bag next month because they honored me with taking me off their wait list. So... that'll do it.
But see, this is great. We just did a glossy box, which had kind of the same products. And theirs was 21 and this was 10.
Yeah. Yeah, this is
so you don't mind paying for trial size when it's $10.
Not at all. Not at all. So, ladies and gents, subscribe.
And 2 gents.
2 gents that like us.
That like her. Anyway, that's our Cindy's Ipsy bag for this month. If you haven't subscribed to our channel and you liked what you saw here,
and if we made you smile one time, you have to hit the subscribe button.
But if we made you fast forward through our banter just to get to the products, let us know that too, because if you don't like it, we need to know that too. We like the positive comments, which we get most of the time.
I like the constructive criticism.
But we like the constructive, yeah, we do.
Because we do. We take the, you know, if our lighting's off,
we have no idea what we're doing. We just do this. We have no idea.
It's just fun. We get together. So,
all right. We'll be coming back at you with some more videos. See ya.